I wanna show you how to create glowing edges effect in Premiere Pro, let's go! I have already added my video clip to my timeline. The first thing that you need to do is to duplicate it, holding Alt and dragging it above. Then position your timeline to the point where you want that your effect will start. With the top clip selected, go to the effects control and change the blend mode from the normal to screen. Go to effects and write extract. Add the extract effect to your duplicated video clip. Then write find edges. Again add it to your video clip. Then turbulent displacement. Add it again. And we are glow. And of course add it to your duplicated video clip. Let's come back to the effects control and change the black and white input levels to 0 and softness to 20. Then click the stopwatch icon for white input level. Move your timeline slider ahead 1 second and change the value of white input to 180. Following, check off invert under find edges, move down to turbulent displacement and change amount to 100, size to 20 and anti-aliasing to high. Scroll down to wear glow and change the threshold to 50, brightness to 5 and saturation to 10. Now, check off your use tint color, then click on the color and find the nice color that you prefer. In my case it is blue one. For this effect, keep the effect from spilling out into the reset of your clip, move your timeline slider to the start of the effect, then under the opacity, create an ellipse mask and click the stopwatch icon for mask path. Now, reselect your mask to make it visible, then extend a rough mask around your subject you want, then move your timeline slider ahead a few seconds, and in case if you need some adjustments, just play with the values. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.